Hi. Welcome to our YouTube channel, The Tales Time. In this video we will see 5 amazing facts about the Great Wall of China. We will also see how and why this Great Wall was built. There is a wide misconception that the Great Wall was built under the order of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, 259 to 210 BC, but it is not true. It was the state Chu who first built the wall. The initial construction was 2,700 years ago during the Spring and Autumn period, 770 to 276 BC. Since then, the Great Wall was rebuilt, modified or extended by millions of Chinese people. The last construction was in 1878 in the late Qing Dynasty. The primary purpose was always to protect the Chinese Empire from the Mongolians and other invaders. Most of the current Great Wall we see today was built in the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644, and is approximately 6,000 km long. These are the 5 amazing facts about the Great Wall of China. Number 1. The wall does not contain corpses. Ancient rumors speak of laborers being buried in the wall. These probably emanated from a chief historian of the Han Dynasty, Sima QIAN, who criticized his own emperor by slighting his Qin predecessor. However, no bones have ever been found in the wall and there is no evidence, written or archaeological, for the slander. Number 2. It was not built to repel Mongols. The wall was commissioned by the first emperor who died in 210 BC, long before the emergence of the Mongols around AD 800. The threat then was from the Xiongnu, who possibly became the ancestors of the Huns. The classic confrontation with the Mongols occurred only from the late 14th century, when the Mongols were chased out of China by the Ming. Number 3. The wall is not as old as you think. The wall is widely thought to date back 2,000 years to just after 221 BC, when China was first unified. In fact, almost everything which is that old is no more than a mound of earth. The popular idea of the wall derives from the stone, battlemented structure built by the Ming, 1358 to 1644. Its maximum age is about 500 years. Number 4. It is not just a wall. It is named a wall, but actually it is not only a simple wall. Historical facts show that it was a comprehensive fortification, consisting of overlapping walls and trenches for blocking enemies, watchtowers and beacon towers for signals and communication, fortresses for head-on battles, and barracks to accommodate soldiers. Number 5. Can it be seen from the moon? The notion that the wall can be seen from the moon is a well-known but implausible myth. In early 19th century, the immense scale of the wall had once given rise to a rumor that it could be seen from the moon with naked eyes. In fact, it is invisible from the space. Difficulty in observing the wall with unaided eyes from space equals that of seeing a hair from 2 miles away.